This is a Denford Micromill. It came from a closed school. So 110 power. Didn't get the computer with it, so I can't test the Vexta motor functions, the table XY, I guess, or YZ, whatever, back and forth. We didn't get the key with it, so I have it jumped, as you can see. Works just fine like that. The Denford model number is SP37274. Software is OC00111913. And I got it just plugged into a power switch. So the light comes on, fan comes on. This is loose, but you can tighten it back up. Click here. The spindle's turning. You can hear the spindle. And then this is the speed control for the spindle. And then if you lift this up, it automatically kills it because it's got that sensor right there. But there's the belt, the cutter. That's one motor. There's the other. Once you shut it, it kicks back on. And that's the unit. If you have any questions, let me know. Thank you.